India has recorded an astounding interplanetary accomplishment. It has placed a spacecraft in orbit around the red planet on its first try. CCTV's Shweta Bajaj has more.
Everyone, including India's Prime Minister Narendra Modi, was waiting with a bated breath as India started its final maneuver into the Martian orbit. After 24 minutes of nail-biting wait, there were loud cheers as the first nation to succeed in its first attempt to Mars orbit.
India, in fact, is the only country to have succeeded in its very first attempt.
India's Mars orbiter mission, named the Mangalyaan or Mars craft in Sanskrit, cost the country $74 million. NASA, meanwhile, had pumped $671 million into its mission. To keep the costs low, India relied on technologies it has used before, and it kept the size of payload small. It also used a smaller rocket. This is a big achievement for India and makes it join an elite club of space research organizations, including NASA, the European Space Agency, and former Soviet Union Space Agency. India currently spends $1.2 billion a year on its space program, a small amount compared to other countries.
Our efforts, in particular, have historically focused on the ultimate objective of nation building, of translating space technology into space applications.
To study Mars.
The mission will orbit at a distance of 365 kilometers from the surface of the Mars, exploring its surface, constituents, and atmosphere without landing on the planet itself. Solar-powered instruments on the mission will gather data on Martian weather systems and the mystery of its water sources that are believed to have once existed as life on the planet. With bureau inputs, Shweta Bajaj, CCTV, New Delhi.